In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And this bonus is the kind of bonus that you can actually withdraw from. Alright, a lot of my guys have been able to claim it, so that's why I thought of sharing this video with you. Alright, and in the previous video that I made on how you can get a $111 no deposit bonus, a lot of you guys have been able to claim it, and some people are yet to be able to claim it. If you are not, if you are yet to claim it, to claim the bonus is very simple. All you just have to do is go to my previous video on how you can get the bonus, because I showed detailed step-by-step process on how you can get the bonus. Alright, so like I said earlier, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. But before I continue, I want you to like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on your notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. Let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Alright guys, welcome back. So the name of the broker we're going to be working with this time around is called Windsor. Alright, so how you can get to this place is just by going to the description, and you're going to find the link to the bonus there. Click on the link, it's going to get you here. Now after getting you here, you have to click on get started. Alright, click on get started. So after that, it's going to take you to a page where you are going to sign up. Alright, but before I continue, I must tell you guys this. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys, and I'll be telling you guys the terms and conditions attached to getting this bonus. Alright, so make sure you follow me to the very end so that you can know the terms and conditions attached to getting this bonus. So after that, after signing up right here, you agree to those terms and you click on sign up. Alright, make sure you agree to those terms. So after clicking on sign up, they are going to send you an email. Alright, so you just have to head over to your Gmail and you are going to find a message like this. So you have to click on verify your email address. Alright, so after that, they are going to congratulate you that your email has been verified. Alright, so the next step for you to do right now is to click on the login button below. So after clicking on the login button below, so after clicking on login, it's going to automatically sign you in. All right, so you have to complete your profile. All right, I want you guys to note that this is not your ID verification, it's just you completing your profile details. All right, just click on complete profile. All right, so these are the details of the profile information we have to give them. All right, which is number one, personal information; two, contact and address information; investor information; trading expectation; trading experience; leverage; and client declaration, which is agreeing to the terms and condition. Right, so these are the profile information you have to give them. So you just have to do is scroll to the bottom. Alright, so this is the first information we are going to be giving them, which is your first name, your last name, and your month, your country of residence. So after that, you just click on next, and the next step you are going to be taking is inputting your contact and address information. After inputting the required information, you click on next as well. So it's going to take you to another page, which is where you are going to input your investor information. Right, so you input your investor information and click on next again. You're going to take you to the page where you're going to input your trading expectation. So you input the details and you click on next. So after that, your trading experience, and after that, your leverage you love to use, and after that, the client declaration. This client declaration is where you accept their terms and condition. All right, so after accepting their terms and condition, you click on complete. So after clicking on the finish button, it's going to automatically take you here. This page is going to pop up. This create live account is going to pop up. So you select it as I have selected it here. Make sure that this account type you are selecting prime. All right, select prime. So after that, you select your password, you input your password that you used to register, and you click on create account. Create account. So after creating an account, you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page. All right, scroll to the bottom, to the last bottom of the page. You're going to find something like this here. So the next step for us to take now is to upload our documents. So you click on upload documents. So where you're going to upload your document is where you're going to upload your um, means of identification and your bank statement. So after that, after you have been verified, you're going to receive an email from them that your account has been verified, right? So after that you head over to their homepage. All right, so you click the support right here. After getting to the homepage, you click the support, this support right here, this support button, you click on it. So it's going to take you to somewhere like this. So after getting here, you click on open ticket. All right, so you click on open ticket and you wait for it to load. All right, so after loading, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. So you select here where the road select subject, you click on it and you select the subject, which is $30 promotion bonus. All right, so after selecting the bonus, you write what I wrote here. My account has been verified and I'm waiting for my $30 bonus. All right, and after writing that, you click on submit. So they are going to bring this page right here. Your inquiry has been sent. All right, so they're going to bring something like this. So you have to dismiss it. So when the bonus has been credited into your into your account, you are going to be notified via email, right? And that's where your MT5 login details will be sent to, right? So this is the end of the video. Oh, before I forget, concerning the terms and condition, you can only withdraw the minimum of $60 and the maximum of $200, and you have to trade only one lot size. All right, only one lot size. So don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.